What's up all my fine girls? No Pimple is Whit here again with another video. So today I am back with a review. I'm going to be trying out the brand Lululemon. So working out, losing weight has been something that's been a part of my life at this point since 2017. If you guys have been following my channel, you would have seen that I lost a lot of weight. And I'm back on another weight loss journey because I've gained a little bit, just a little bit of some weight, okay? And I feel like a lot of the leggings that I had from Old Navy, they definitely stood the test of time. And I feel like now I'm in a season where I'm needing new athletic wear. I've been hearing a lot about Lululemon. Lululemon this, Lululemon that. It's amazing, it's amazing, amazing. But the thing with Lululemon is that it comes with a very high price tag. By the way, ignore all of this back here, okay? I have another clothing haul that I'm gonna be filming. And I just wanted some, something to keep in the background, but ignore all of this. That's coming for another video. We just had this little small pile to work with. So I was like, let me see, are they really worth the money? Like a pair of Lululemon leggings, I think most of them start off at like $98. So I'm like, why are these leggings $100? Like, let me see. So this is gonna be like an initial review. I got two pair of leggings, and I got a pair of short, and I also got this sports bra. So this is all Lululemon here. And then these two items I'm gonna try for you guys. Let me go over my sizes real quick. So I am 5'8". I typically wear a size 12, 14, some 10s in dresses, but 10 to 12 in dresses, 12 to 14 like in pants. I got all my bottoms in a size 12, and then my two pair of leggings that I got them in the inseam 28, and then the shorts, I want to say I got these in an inseam 8. Let me check. I got my shorts in an 8, or the inseam in an 8. Everything high rise. Listen, I'm so glad the days of low rise, mid rise are gone. I love high rise, anything, okay? For those people who have a little bit of a little gut, okay, they're very forgiving. So starting off with the pair of pants that I have here, or the pair of leggings that I have here, these are their Wunder Under, and I got them in the navy. I got them in a size 12. I feel like I possibly could have even gone down to a size 10. My friend who told me about this, she has a size 10, and we're kind of similar in size, but when I was watching videos, like I kind of got, a little, what's the word I'm looking for? Intimidated. You know how you see somebody just like, well, if they're wearing this size, then there's no way, like I have to be a little bit bigger, or I have to be smaller. So that's kind of what happened. But can I get into size 10? More than likely, because these are leggings. They are a little more forgiving. So these are the size 12. Of course, the Lululemons, they do come with the drawstring. Y'all, I am losing it. And I love that because listen, I do not like I'm working out, and your leggings are just rolling. I hate that. No, I need to stay in place. For the most part, they do stay in place because I have worn these, I think, I've only worn these once. This and the short ones. I have not actually worn these, and this one still has a tag on it. I'll wait till I did this video. So I actually haven't tried that one out, but I have worked out with these, and they stayed in place. Now, as far as it being squat proof, I'm gonna have to lower the camera down, or I'm gonna show you guys at a different angle so you guys can see the length of it with my feet. So, like I said, I'm 5'8", and they go all the way down, so I think a 28 is perfect. Let me go ahead and do a little squat test. I don't really feel like I'm seeing anything, but I'll have to wait until I get the footage back to look through this, but I feel like they are good, they're comfortable, and they're cute. Now let's talk about this sports bra that I have here. So it's a crop top, that's also a sports bra. I got this in a size 8. For me, I like to go a little bit smaller with my sports bra just because I like for like that compression to hold them up, especially if you're a little more heavier up top. I like for it to be in. I am getting a little bit of some spillage here. I usually just take it and I move it in. I'm being very honest, and I'm usually good to go. It does come with like the pads in there, so I think you can remove them. I don't know, people don't like the paddings in their bra or the sports bras. For me personally, I like them because I hate when like, oh, what's this? I hate when like the nips want to show. Also, it's like, this is like, you can see like the sports bra kind of built into it with this top. So I like that a lot. I need to fix this padding right here because as you guys see, it's like kind of bunching up. So yes, I got this in white, and this is a cute little get together. Go to the gym. I'm running. I want y'all to see. These leggings they're not moving down. If anything, the top is moving up. But yeah, so these leggings right here, so far so good. These are the Wunder Under. So now the next ones that I have here are the Wunder Under shorts. I got them in plumps. I want to do something different. So yet again, this feels really good. I feel the compression is a little more on these shorts than on the leggings. And these are the same, like they're the same size 12, but compression just feels a little bit more. So these are these shorts. These are the vintage plum, and I will have everything linked down below. I like these. I really, really do. I feel like the length is perfect. So I'm somebody, you know, finding shorts for thick thighs. I hate when you don't have that it just keeps rising up. I've had these stay in place. Well, at least that one time that I didn't wear it. Let's do our little run test to see what the shorts gonna do. I feel like they stayed in place. They did not move, which that is a big thing because, you know, if it was short, if it was like the leggings where it's looser here, they definitely will swell down. Yet again, you do get the drawstring. I feel like for this, I really don't even need to use it. Let's move on. Leggings that I have here. This is a fast and free, our 28 seam. It has a Nulux, the Nulux fabric. I don't know. I was watching so many videos and I'm trying to learn, you know, Lululemon lingo. I guess that Nulux is something that is unique to their stuff. I don't know. What that Beyonce song said, if you don't jump to put on jeans, baby, you don't feel my pain. If you don't gotta jump to put on your jeans, you really don't feel my pain. Okay, so these I have not tried on. I have actually tried these two on and worked out with them. This one is first time with you guys here on camera. So this one does have the drawstring as well too. And I feel like I'm probably gonna need this, but right now it feels pretty compressed. I will say I like the fabric on the Wunder. I don't know if the fabric is different, but I just like the feel of these better. They definitely feel softer. I did notice that the bottom of the leggings, they're seamless. And I don't think you guys see this, but like with this, it has like stitching and all that stuff on these. This one is like completely seamless, so that's kind of different. That's cool. These are my favorite. I don't know if I'll buy another pair from this particular like line. Definitely like the Wunder train. Definitely like a lot more. This isn't bad, but it's not my favorite. Let's see now. Okay, I'm gonna get everything in place. Let's do a little run test. Do y'all see that? Did y'all see that? It slid down. I don't like that. So I feel like I'm doing a lot of shifting in these. I don't know how I feel about these. I'll keep them. I wouldn't return them. Like I'll make them work, but definitely if I had to pick between this line and that line, definitely the Wunder train. But yeah, that's the end of this video. So my overall thoughts on Lululemon, I like it. I like it so far. I'm not gonna go ahead and just give it overly amazing positive reviews because it's still fairly new. I have not had these for years. I feel like I kind of made that mistake with Gymshark. And if you guys remember like my Gymshark video, for the most part, I gave it a decent review. But the thing with Gymshark, and I'm gonna have to go on a little tangent here. I know it's about Lululemon, but I'm gonna have to go on a little tangent here. I feel like Gymshark, they make clothes for people who want to go to the gym and look cute, and you only want to wear that one outfit. Like you have like 10 other outfits you have to get through before you can circle back to that one. For me, I'm somebody that I will wear the same workout leggings over and over. Like I'll wear it, work out that day. I usually wash 2 times during the week, so it's like I'll wash it and then like I'll probably wear it again that same week. So for me, I'm using my leggings. I'm not somebody that has a whole arsenal of leggings, so I need it to last. So that's why I don't want to just sit up here and just jump in and be like, yes, they're bomb, go out and buy them. So far, do I like them? I do like them. I do like it, but I'm gonna have to give it a couple of months. Let me see how you hold up, because my old navy leggings held me down for years. Like I wore those leggings into the ground and they're still for the most part holding up, but it was time for me to go ahead and start finding some new leggings. I was like, let me go ahead and try this out. It's $100 for a pair of leggings. Why? Let me see if they really are worth it. Everyone talks about it. So far, so good, but I'm not gonna just go ahead and just, you know, like they're bomb.com, you know? But anyways, that's that with my review. I had to go off on my little tangent on Gymshark because Gymshark definitely makes clothes for people who just want to be cute, because they do not last. They do not last. I think I had a pair of leggings, actually a couple of them, wore them like three or four times, and I was already getting holes. I was like, what the heck? Like these are $56 pair of leggings. Like, make it make sense. But you know, I'm gonna give Lululemon a try. I'm gonna give them a little go, and I might actually go back and get some more of the Wunder Under in different colors, because I actually really like this brand, or at least that line so far. These, not so much. They're good. They're okay. They're okay. But anyways, let me stop rambling. That is that with today's video. Comment down below if you've ever tried a pair of Lululemon leggings out, or your thoughts on it. Do you recommend them? Which other line would you recommend for me to try out? Because I'm always open to new things, and not just Lululemon, any other athletic wear that actually lasts. Okay, I don't want none of that cheap stuff. I'm open to spending money on workout clothes because it's something I feel like is an investment, but I will spend money on it if it is actually good quality. So comment that down below. But yeah, until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.